Hi everyone, this is Amelia from the Elmville Public Library and Museum, and today we are doing Craft With Me. So today's Craft With Me will be origami, which is always a lot of fun. Origami can be a bit difficult for beginners, so we are going to be covering the basic bases that you need in order to do most origami. Now, not all origami starts with these bases, but a lot of them do. So you really want to try and learn how to do these bases. They're kind of important. So the first thing I'm going to teach you is the water balloon base. Both bases need square pieces of paper that you pre-fold as I am doing now. So if you missed what I did, first I took the paper and I folded it in half so that the sides touched. Then I did the same again, giving it a strong crease. Then for the diagonal folds, I actually popped it backwards and did it so that the blank side was facing out. This is to show you that you're doing it two different ways. Now, you should probably actually do the reverse of this, but I think this will show up a little bit better for you. So you see how the paper wants to go inward after you do those folds? Naturally, the paper is just bending this way. And that's exactly why you want to do it this way. So that when you hold it, it's already doing what you want. Now, to do a water balloon base, you need the flat part to face yourself. Like so. So you're going to want to put it down and gently press in. It's already doing that. You're just helping it and press it down. So there's a triangle with the bottom facing you. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this water balloon base in just a bit. So we're going to put it off to the side. I'm going to use this piece of paper to teach you how to do a crane base. So you're going to do the exact same thing you did for our water balloon base, but you're going to... I'm going to reverse this so that you can see what I'm talking about. So what you're going to want to do there we go. Okay, so just like last time, the paper wants to fold that way. It really wants to fold. But put the pointed side towards yourself. And the paper naturally wants to fold inward now because we did the opposite direction that we folded it last time. So the pointy part is facing you, making this square. See? Now, this is the square that starts off a bunch of different origami, especially the crane, which is probably the best known. So we're going to put this off to the side for later. We're going to bring back the water balloon base. Now, keeping this part towards yourself, I'm going to show you how to make a origami butterfly. You already have the base. You're going to take these prongs and you're going to fold them up towards the point. See, you only took the one. Up towards the point and crease it. Now that almost looks like a butterfly, but to make it an actual 3D butterfly, we're going to take this blank part, grab the tip, wrap it up over the top, and press it with our nail. Really hard. And there we have a butterfly. Now I'm going to show you how to use the base that we have for the water balloon, for the crane, to make a rose. So we're going to take the part that's open and we're going to point it this way. Take this, grab the tip, and pull up and over. See how this part automatically wants to stick up? We're going to take this tip and put it to this corner. So just push it back. Flip it over and do the same thing. Now you're going to take this and put it in the palm of your hand. Allow it to spread out until you find this part. Grab this part and twist. Now the really important thing is that you keep applying pressure to the outside while you twist, because what we're doing is making the paper remember this. Release. Now you're going to gently unfurl just the outside. Take this part, there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to push it inward towards the inside in this little pocket. Crease it and bring it back. Now if you can see that, what I did right here is make a crease that kind of shows another petal even though there isn't anything else there. So you're just going to go ahead and do the same for all of them, and if it starts to unfurl, that's okay. We're going to fix that at the end. So you just go around, and it's important to do these in the same direction. So just kind of rotate it in your hands. Down and back up. Okay, so you can fix this really easily by putting it in your palm and just giving it a little push. And then a little twist. And there's a rose. Now, if you want, this last step is optional. You can take the corner of one of the petals and roll it gently and repeat, and it will make the petals look rounded. You can also achieve this by using scissors, but this is what I prefer. Oh, we forgot one of the corners. So just fold it down in, crease, and bring it back up, but not all the way. And there. There we have it, an origami rose. Okay, last one for today. I'm going to show you how to make a dress. And this one doesn't use any of the bases we've already talked about. I actually think I like green better for this one. Yeah. So, first things first, fold down the center. But now, what we're going to do is fold into the center. Like this. So they look kind of like doors. We're going to flip it over, take this crease, and fold it into the center. This one can be a little bit tricky, but it's a lot of fun. I know Mother's Day just passed. If you haven't already given a card, this one can be great for that. Okay, so in the back, it looks like this. And in the front, it looks like this, kind of like a pair of doors. So in the back, what we're going to do is fold not quite halfway down and then a little bit back up. just to make that same crease kind of thing we did with the flower petals. Now, what you're going to want to do is flip it back over and make what you want for the collar. And this is going to determine how deep of a neckline this dress has. Take this and gently pull out and crease, and this will determine how full the skirt of this dress is. This is a great one to use on birthday cards too. So you're going to want to flip it over, take this, and gently bend it back. And it will kind of naturally, it might take a little bit of patience. When you bend it back, it will create a neckline in the front. See? Okay, so now you're going to take these and gently pull them back in order to create the waist. Takes a little bit of practice and a little bit of patience. So be a little bit patient with yourself when doing this part. Like that. When you fold it back over, you can see most of a dress. Now you can either fold these so you can't see them, or fold them down like that for little cap sleeves. And there you have an origami dress. Okay guys, thank you for crafting with me. Please remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and be good to each other. I will see you next time. Bye!